In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add environment variables in Vercel. First, open your Vercel dashboard and select the project you want to update. Click on the three dots next to your project name and choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Environment Variable section on the left side. Here, you'll see options to add a new environment variable. Click on Add, then enter the key and value for your variable. For example, you can type API_key as the key and your actual key as the value. Next, choose the environment where this variable will apply, such as production, preview, or development. This ensures your variable is used only in the selected environment. Once you've entered the key, value, and selected the environment, click Save. Your environment variable is now securely added to Vercel and ready to use in your project. And that's it. You've successfully added environment variables in Vercel to manage your project settings more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Vercel and web development tutorials.